Ladies and gentlemen, we present the singers Jazz and Moon. This is the song by Ariana Grande, POV. Okay, we'll listen the song.
It's like you got superpower. Turn my minutes in 2 hours. You've got more than 20, babe. Merit of class the way you threw me.
You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. How you touch my soul from my outside. Permit my ego and my pride.
I wanna you love me. Ooh.
Bueno, la primera práctica.
Yes, it's okay.
I wanna love me the way you love me. For of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view.
Excellent.
I wanna trust me the way you trust me. Cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view.
Excellent. Perfect.